birds here in Langkawi. We have 3 species, and what we're looking at is the great hornbill. This is the biggest bird on the island. From the tip of its beak to the tip of its tail, it's 1 meter 30 for the male and 1 meter 10 for the female. These birds reach maturity at year 5 and can live for 30 years. And up in Gunung Raya, there's a flock of we came to block about 25 birds. In that bachelor group, we had 3 young males fighting each other for 1 female. With their great beaks, the 3 young males were going clacking, locking, fighting, pulling, tumbling, falling, flying up again to the same branch where that 1 female is. The 3 young males are fighting each other to offer her fruit. She knows how to find her own fruit, but when it comes to nesting season, she accepts the offers from the young males. Eventually, she will make a choice, and she chooses her mate when she begins to take the fruit only from the one she wants. She'll take it from him, back and forth the fruit will go before she finally consumes it. The other 2 males offer her, she no longer takes from the other male. I see that if we look into nature, we appreciate nature, and using cameras and film as a means of appreciating nature and capturing nature, it's conservation through imagery.
Basically, when you are videoing them, the birds, for example, you are very close to nature. It's as though you are one with them, especially the great argus that I have shown you, and very satisfying. The feeling is different, that you are in harmony with nature.
I think we're all enthusiasts of photography, and because Langkawi is so amazing of its wildlife, this is an opportunity to capture some and then even to show it to the people. Yeah, most people come here have no idea how beautiful Langkawi is and how amazing its nature is, and this is one way to document it. And because we love photography, that combines everything.
Just bringing out to the people what is there. Like I said, if they are not aware of what is out there, there is no way they can understand what we do and why we do it. Bring it out, share it, and then it works.
I was very lucky to live in Langkawi. There's something to share. There's still something to share.
We have only one world, one earth, and we should take passion in terms of making sure that we preserve them, and we shouldn't destroy them. Like people always say, take nothing but photograph, leave nothing but footprints.